Okay. So today you are going to study about the kinematic viscosity. The kinematic viscosity is the viscosity which is the ratio of dynamic viscosity and suppose you want to derive the ratio of dynamic viscosity and density. So first you have to find out the formula for the dynamic viscosity. So dynamic viscosity formula you can find out from the formula integration of 0 to r, integration from 0 to r, Vr 2 pi r dr. So when we keep the value of Vr, that P1 minus P2 r square minus r square by 4 L mu and 2 pi r dr. So we get the V average velocity as the P1 minus P2 r square by 8 L mu. And when we will keep this average velocity by the distance time formula, that L upon T, and later on we can find out the dynamic viscosity as the delta P, P1 minus P2 r square T by 8 L square. And when we divide this by keeping the delta P as rho gh and divide rho, say divide करेंगे, then rho gh is left over here, gh r square by 8 L square into T. This gh r square by 8 L square is known as constant of the instrument. Kv is equal to gh r square, 8 L square is equal to coefficient constant of the capillary tube or tube viscometer. And we will get the formula kinematic viscosity mu by rho is equal to kv into t. Kinematic viscosity is represented by nu. अगर न्यू हो तो आपको यहाँ पे शो किया जा सकता है. Suppose I want to insert new, then I will search new over here, whether new is present here. ये अगर v है तो इसी तरह का जैसे v है ना वैसे न्यू होता है. Like this. So you can write here new. So this is somewhat similar to V, but little bit different. So here gh r square by 8 L square is constant, and P1 minus P2 is taken as rho gh, and h is equal to height, h EIGHT height of meniscus in the capillary tube viscometer. And the pressure drop can be found out by the formula 8 L mu V average by r square from here, or it can be, if r is equal to d by 2, then we get 32 L mu V average by into d square. This is known as the Poisson equation. Hello? Hello? Hello students?
Yes, sir.
आप लोग देख रहे हैं ना ये?
Yes,
तो
sir.
मैंने
Yes, sir.
क्या किया? मैंने derive कर दिया. I have derived the formula for kinematic viscosity, and this is the formula which will be utilized in the capillary tube viscometer also. When you want to measure the mu by rho, so kV you have to determine by experiment by finding different TE, and then when time elapsed for a distance is known and mu by rho is equal to kV into T. If mu is known, then we can find out the kV, and when kV is known, and for another liquid which is in which the viscosity is not known, so we can determine the viscosity mu by rho. So this formula will also be utilized in Piccolo. This will be utilized in application of capillary tube viscometer for determination of viscosity, kinematic viscosity, as well as coefficient of dynamic viscosity. Now here in this slide you want to study the friction factors in Newtonian flow. Suppose Newtonian flow through a pipe, the friction factor you want to study. So this is the ratio of the drag force per unit weighted surface area by rho V average square by 2. So if you keep the value of the force, drag force, then this is P1 minus P2 into pi r square, and weighted surface area is 2 pi RL. 2 pi RL से divide किया, तो P1 minus P2 into 2 pi r square by 2 pi RL into rho into V average के square by 2. This is friction factor, and from here we can find out the P1 minus P2 like this, and P1 minus P2 we already know from equation 8 like this. If we equate both, then we can find out the F, and it will come 16 mu by V average rho d, or 16 by NRE, where NRE is the Reynolds number, rho dV by mu. So 16 by NRE is the friction factor. This has come by equating this delta P FL rho V average square, or means you can say here that if we take this and keep here is equal to this like this, and here we can replace this by again यहाँ पे d by 2, capital D, and 2 will come over here, 2. So then you will get this formula. Then from here you can find out F is equal to 16 mu by V average rho d. Clear हुआ? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
देखिए क्या किया हमने, ये इक्वेशन 7 में P1 minus PT is equal to FL V square by R में R is equal to D by 2 रख दिया, और जो D के टर्म में जो हमको मिला था इक्वेशन ये कौन सा इक्वेशन 7, वो ये है, ये इक्वेशन 8 था, ये फ्रिक्शन फैक्टर वाला, तो 32 एवरेज D का तुम इक्वेट कराया तो आपको मिल गया, तो फ्रिक्शन फैक्टर F is equal to 16 mu upon V average rho d. Because NRE is equal to rho dV by mu, then we can say that F is equal to 16 by NRE. Now let us see maximum shear rates in Newtonian flow through a pipe. Consider the equation 5 which we have derived. यहाँ जो ये इक्वेशन 5 डिराइव हुआ है ना, ये वाला, कहाँ गया इक्वेशन 5? टू थ्री वही 4 कहाँ चला गया? एक स्लाइड गायब हो गई।
सर यहाँ है,
कहाँ?
वहीं पर ऊपर में सर,
ये
4
मिला।
5।
ये मिला इक्वेशन 5।
यस सर।
फिर गायब हो गई। ये इस इक्वेशन 5 को जो न्यूमेरिकल कराया था उसके बाद हम यहाँ ले आए, यहाँ लाने के बाद अनडिफरेंशिएटिंग इसको डिफरेंशिएट कर दिया। वी आर इज इक्वल टू वी एवरेज 2 into 1 minus r by r square dvr by dr minus is equal to 2 v average 2r by r square और R बराबर R रखने से आपको मैक्सिमम शेयर रेट मिलेगा 2R by R square, it will be derived as 4V average by R. इसे गामा W कहते हैं. गामा W मैक्सिमम शेयर रेट एट वाल्व इज इक्वल टू 4V एवरेज बाय R. जब भी कभी पूछा जाए तो ये 4V एवरेज बाय R को डिराइव करिए. एंड मिनिमम शेयर रेट एट सेंटर ऑफ द पाइप एट R इज इक्वल टू 0. जब R इज इक्वल टू 0 इसमें रखिएगा तो इट विल बिकम 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. क्लियर हुआ? हेलो?
Yes.
अब लिखिए.
Yes, sir.
अब लिखिए. What do you mean by find out the लिखिए find out the shear rate at R is equal to 3 centimeter. लिखिए find out the shear rate at small r is equal to 3 centimeter when the diameter of the pipe is 10 centimeter. क्या लिखा? पढ़िए. हेलो, बोलिए.
Yes, sir.
क्या लिखा?
एक मिनट sir.
Find out.
Sir, find out the shear rate at R
Small r is equal to 3
small r equal
centimeter.
to 3 centimeter when the diameter of the pipe is 10
हाँ,
centimeter.
इसमें क्या करना? ये ऊपर वाले इक्वेशन में माइनस dV by dr इक्वल 2V एवरेज 2 into स्मॉल r की जगह 3 रखना और कैपिटल R की जगह 5 रखना. जब d बराबर 10 है तो कैपिटल R बराबर 5 हो. लिख लो. जब d बराबर 10 तो रेडियस ऑफ द पाइप इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल R बराबर d by 2 इज इक्वल टू 5. और दूसरा लिखिए. एंड उसी में व्हाट विल बी द मैक्सिमम शेयर रेट. What will be the maximum shear rate if the average velocity is 6 meter per second? If the average velocity is 6 meter per second, तो उसमें भी यहां पर भी here यहां पे v एवरेज क्या लिखोगे? 6 मीटर पर सेकंड. r क्या लिखोगे? 3 सेंटीमीटर. कैपिटल R 5. यहाँ पे 6 मीटर पर सेकंड. यहाँ कैपिटल R 5 सेंटीमीटर. अब दूसरा लिखिए. A liquid of density लिखिए. A liquid of density 1100 kg per meter cube a liquid of density 1100 kg per meter cube is flowing through a pipe at 1000 liter per hour at 1000 liter per hour. लिखिए. हेलो.
Yes, sir, लिख रहे हैं.
At 1000 liter per hour find out the velocity profile and shear rate at small r is equal to 2.5 centimeter also find out the pressure drop and maximum shear rate . लिख लिया? And maximum shear rate. The liquid was tested in a capillary tube viscometer. The liquid was tested in a capillary tube viscometer having
Yes, sir.
the liquid was tested, the same liquid was tested in capillary tube viscometer having having constant K, capital K, ये K नहीं है, K into T जो होता है, having capillary tube constant K is equal to 2 into 10 power 8 and T and time elapsed TE as 30 सेकंड। यहाँ पे आपको म्यू निकालना पड़ेगा, तो म्यू बाई रो इज इक्वल टू के टी कर दीजिएगा। और जब म्यू निकल जाएगा तो डेल्टा पी निकाल लीजिएगा, वी एवरेज निकाल लीजिएगा और इस फार्मूले से डीवी बाई डी आर निकाल लीजिएगा, इस फार्मूले से 4v बार बाई आर निकाल लीजिएगा। क्लियर?
Yes.
So now all of you, let us see that record हुआ कि नहीं? Yes, it is being recorded because. So I want to ask you that if you want to if you have any question, please tell me. See the slides?
Yes, yes.
I will send the slide today again. Okay, thank you very much.